You gotta get it. You gotta go get it. Where you going? What is that? Are you gonna throw it? Oh, it's behind you. There it is. There it is. Eliza, here's the ball. Eliza, here comes the ball. Shh. There it is. Now you gotta bring it to mommy. Come on. I know you see Kimball. Bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Let's throw it. There you go. Okay, bring it to mommy. Good girl. Good girl. Can you get it? Are you just going to come to mommy? Come here. Come here. Oh, you're such a big girl. You're such a... You want to go get it? Go get it. Go get that ball. Good job. Yay. There's a teddy bear. You see that teddy bear? There's the ball. I hear Campbell. Who's that? Who's that? You see Appa. There he is. Good job. Good job, Eliza.
Uh-oh.